السلام عليكم يا شباب، اهلا بكم في قناه مستر وائل الساينس. ابنائي وبناتي طلبه الصف السادس الابتدائي الترم الثاني هنحل النهارده بعض الاسئله على يونت 3 كونسبت 3 1 ليسون 1 اللي كان بعنوان ترانسفير اوف انرجي ثرو ووتر سايكل. ان شاء الله الاسئله تكون سهله وكلكم تحلوها بصوره صحيحه. اتفضلوا يا شباب. choose the correct answer. The large salt lake in Turkey is dried up due to the increase in the rate of space process. Melting process, freezing process, evaporation process, condensation process. إجابتنا evaporation process. Increasing and decreasing of water level in some lakes is due to the transfer of space through the water cycle. Transfer of rocks ولا transfer of energy ولا transfer of work ولا transfer of wind. إجابتنا transfer of energy. In winter, rainfall due to space process, condensation ولا evaporation ولا collection ولا precipitation. إجابتنا precipitation process. When water run through a river then into a sea, this step is called runoff, condensation, precipitation, evaporation. إجابتنا runoff. The distribution of space energy on the Earth's surface play an important role in evaporation process in the water cycle. يا ترى distribution of electrical energy ولا solar energy ولا sound energy ولا kinetic energy. إجابتنا solar energy. All the following are considered as the main process in transferring water through water reservoir except condensation ولا collection ولا evaporation ولا precipitation. إجابتنا collection، لأن collection دي مش process وهو قال process. البروسيس عندي evaporation process و condensation process و precipitation process، إنما collection مش process. Moderate region are areas in which the evaporation process is the greatest ولا the smallest ولا moderate ولا absent. moderate regions يبقى moderate evaporation. Choose from column B what suits it in column A. Condensation, evaporation, precipitation, runoff. Falling of snow in an area ده يعتبر precipitation. Formation of fog on a road ده يعتبر condensation. Formation of glacier in an area ده مفيش اختيار ليه. Drying of shallow lakes ده معناها evaporation. Flowing of rivers water in a sea ده يعتبر run off. نكتب إجابتنا 1 اخترنا لها B، 2 اخترنا لها D، 3 اخترنا لها A، و4 اخترنا لها E. Put true or false. Drying up of water in the large salt lake in Turkey is due to condensation process. غلط. due to evaporation process. Transferring of energy in the water cycle cause increase and decrease of water level in some lakes. الكلام ده true. Flamingo migrate to the large salt lake in Turkey when the weather is very cold there. غلط. when the weather is warm. State of water changes when water gain or lose energy. الكلام ده صح. In the water cycle, the step that follows condensation process is run off. اللي بعد condensation process precipitation process، فالكلام ده يبقى غلط. Hottest regions are regions in which the evaporation process is the greatest. الكلام ده true. Falling of hail in coldest region is an example of evaporation process. غلط. is example of precipitation process. Write the scientific term of each of the following. The main source of energy which affects the water cycle, sun. It is the process in which water falls on earth in the form of rain, sleet, snow or hail. بنتكلم على precipitation process. It is the process in which matter changed from liquid state to gaseous state, evaporation process. It is the process in which matter changes from gaseous state into liquid state, condensation process. It is the step in which water flows along the Earth's surface into the river and then into the ocean or sea, run off. It is the step in which rainwater falling on the Earth's surface is collected in different water bodies, collection. Complete the following sentences. Flamingo migrate to the large salt lake in Turkey when the weather become warm, and they are fed on algae which are found in this lake. Formation of fog is due to the condensation of water vapor on a field in early morning. The three main processes which are responsible for movement of water through the water reservoir on the earth are evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Energy of the sun causes the changing of liquid water into water vapor by evaporation process. The amount of space energy that reaches the earth affects the rate of evaporation process in the water cycle. The amount of solar energy. Give reason for drying up of the large salt lake in Turkey in summer season due to increasing evaporation process in this lake. Give reason for formation of fog in the early morning due to condensation of water vapor in this region. Give reason for changing of water from one state to another due to gaining or losing thermal energy. What happens to the level of water in lake when the rate of evaporation increase? The level of water in this lake will decrease. What happens to the snow when sunlight fall on it? Snow will melt and change it into liquid water. Look at the opposite figure, then complete the following sentences. Area space and space are considered as hottest area. Area D وarea C. Area D وarea C. Area space and space are considered as moderate area. تبقى area B وE. نكتب هنا B وE. Area space and space are considered as coolest area. Area A وF. نكتب هنا A وF. كده خلصت الأسئلة يا شباب. أتمنى أن أنتم كلكم تكونوا حلتوها بصورة صحيحة. أتمنى لكم التوفيق دائما إلى أن نتقابل في لسن 2 على خير. السلام عليكم.